And setting up a full data governance and context intelligence framework sounds like a massive weekend project, right? Well, I'm going to show you how to install and run egeria-workspaces, our quick start environment, in under 2 minutes. Let's do it right now in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Make sure you have Docker Desktop installed and running on your machine. Egeria uses containers to spin up its ecosystem seamlessly, so having Docker active gives us our essential launchpad. Step 2. Grab the Egeria Workspace environment. It's a repo on GitHub. Open up a terminal window exactly where you want to store your workspace. If you have Git installed, type the string on the screen. Don't have Git? No problem. Just open your browser, head to the repository page, click the code drop-down, and download the zip file directly. Unzip it in your directory, and you are ready to continue. Step 3. Launch the environment. In your terminal, cd into the Egeria Workspace folder and run the script away. Quick start local. Now take a nice stretch break or grab a beverage while we automatically pull the images and handle the heavy lifting. If you're curious, you can watch the active logs right inside Docker Desktop. It takes a few minutes for Egeria to load all the pre-built content, so give it an extra 5 minutes or so. Step 4. Verify it's alive. Once the terminal logs settle, open your browser and navigate to http:/localhost 8885. Your Egeria portal is officially running. Choose a persona and start exploring. If this quick start was useful, head over to GitHub and drop a star on the Egeria Workspaces repository. And if you're feeling generous, please also star Egeria and Egeria Python. Have questions or want to share feedback? Join the community conversation on the LFAI and Data Slack workspace in the #Egeria discussion channel. Happy exploring!